welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinita. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any of my videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So this is the last part of the sofa makeover. All the materials which are available online, I will link it down in the description box. You can check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the front part of the sofa chair where I am attaching this fabric with the help of a staple gun. Because I wanted to give a good cushion to my sofa chair, I will be sticking this half-inch foam sheet on each side with the help of this SR solution. So here I am applying this adhesive on both surfaces. These are the tiny iron nails which I will use to fix the fabric from sides like this. To get a smooth edge, I am inserting these nails from the back side of the fabric and then I will fix this using a hammer. Okay, the seat is completed. Now let's move on to the back support part of this chair. I have cut the fabric according to the size of the seat and now fixing it with the staple gun, making sure the fabric is stretched tightly. Alright, so this is done. Now let's fix the complete chair. For back, I am using this old fabric instead of foam sheet because I ran out of thin foam sheets. So yeah, once this is done, I will fix the sofa fabric using the tiny iron nails. Alright, the sofa chair is completed. Also at the bottom of the chair I will attach a thin cloth. The same way I've completed this sofa cum bed as well. So I hope you enjoyed the final video of the sofa makeover. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Till then, take care and bye bye.